Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa farm. So, tignan na naman yung ano namin, mais. Yan. That's my dad. He's working there. And then, here is the scenery in the farm. So, here is our mini forest. So, we have here guabano. O, diba? So, join me in this short escape. So, I just arrived here in my town, in my parents' town last night. And then, I've been staying in the city for like 2 weeks. So, I come here for checking the vegetables that we have here. So, that's our mini forest. Down there, that's the river. So, it's the high elevated area. Pero this is our ladyfinger. So, hindi siya masyadong na ano eh. Wala kasi kaming ginamit na, we don't use chemicals on it. That's why, I check what are the management that I need to do in this. And so, with here, so yan. The sky that's telling you it's okay. You know the weather now. Yan. Familiar ba kayo sa mga ganito? Hindi ko alam kung ano to eh. Fig tree ba to? We have our, yung bamboo, bagakay. We try to preserve this little forest that we had in our farm. Because, you know, they are very important for the ecosystem. In the ecosystem. Or in the ecosystems of the forest. We have here. That's our, what do you call this? Glutarnate. This. Hindi siya nalinisan. So, we'll try to clean this. That one. Later. Yan. So, here. Down there is the river. So, this is, that trees, that big one, it's still part of the forest. Our little forest here. So, maybe in the future, we will put something on here, like a chair, clean this area, put something to hold the soil here, because this is, I don't know, because in the near future, they're gonna put a bridge in here, and it's so sad to think that, you know, the road will be here soon. So I hope not. You know, sometime developments will, you know, change the ecosystem. If in every road there is a forest that is sacrificed. So that's it. The little water going there to the river. So that's our little canal. So in here, this isn't a flower, but just we consider it like a weeds here. So this is our garden now, little garden. We try to, you know, diversify the farm. We have here. You're not bearing talong, eggplant. So they are all natural, and we planted flower. Isa ra lagi ni ma. Beautiful. So beautiful. Eggplants. So put flower here, and that's the corn, yellow corn. That's my mom, so I'm gonna help her later. So this is our little okra. I don't know what this one, who attacked the okra. Think. Hey, why are you destroying the... And this one, if you're familiar with this insect. Hey, get away. So here, what's the okra? Wala pa lagi kita naman dara ma ang kuan ni Jimmy. Di siguro kasaka ang traktor. Ha? Ha? Yun to na bakante diri maagianan mang oh, igo makaagi ang traktor. So here, mag-survive bago na siya ma. The more nga sagbot iyang kalaban, the more iyang nutrients. That's the spirit of ginger. They are considered like a wild. Hala oh, guava guys. This is a wild guava. Here. Paubos. Nahinog. So that's our guava. We don't plant them. Just grow there. So I think we are now here in the boundary. So this is the boundary. That's the other farm. So this is here. This is the boundary. That's the mountain. See? You heard them? That's original sounds.